Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a space on Element. So first thing that you will do guys is of course go to element.io and just make sure you are signed in into an account. Now once you are signed in guys, in order for you to create a space, as you can see on the left side of the screen, you should be able to see here create space or the plus icon as you can see when I select collapse over here. Now select create a space and you will have two options, either public or private. It will be depending on you. I'm going to go for public. And now from here, just simply provide the name of the space, and you could also upload a picture of the space that you want, and you could provide the address over here, which this address you can share it to other people and they can join the space. And now from here, you could add a description about your space depending on the purpose of it, and just simply select create over here. And now from here, you will have three options to provide a room name for your three channels, and select continue once you have provided a personalized name. And from here, as you can see, you can share the invite link. You could just simply click to copy over here, or you could just simply go ahead and invite people by providing their email or username. And as you can see, we have multiple rooms over here, and pretty much you could utilize it like Discord. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.